Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought any updates regarding PhD admission. That is one of private university located in Gurgaon region, that is NCR region. So before starting, I request you all please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So there is PhD recruitment, PhD admission going on in GD Goenka University. This is the information browser. You can see these are all the awards and rankings of GD Goenka University. These are the important dates. That is last date for application is January 26, 2021. Date of written exam and interview 30 January 2021. Display of result is on February 3rd, and last date of payment of fees for selected candidate February 15. The admission process is of three round. First one is entrance test. Second one is the presentation or on a proposed research before DRC committee, and third one is interview. These all are the timing. Like you have to report between 9:30 to 10:15 entrance test of time is time of entrance test is 10:30 to 12. Presentation 2 p.m. onwards, and interview 3 p.m. onwards. For timing and more during COVID-19 induced lockdown, please get in touch with program coordinator for more details. This is the email ID, you can contact on that. The entrance test is like MCQ. And duration is of entrance test is 90 minutes, and 15 minutes given is for presentation. In entrance test, MCQ question and presentation, you have to make one slide and present on that. Focus the syllabus is for entrance test ability and research terminology, reasoning awareness, subject awareness, domain knowledge also. And in presentation you have to mainly focus on topic of research, why research on the topic, proposed research objective, literature review done, and intended outcome of the research. There are two PhD types of PhD admission going on. That is one full-time scholar, that he has to attend the university regular and will subject to prescribed attendance rules. And second one part-time, that is for professional employed person. These all are the documents which required during we have to submit that during admission. Minimum qualification required for this is master degree with 55% marks, and the relaxation is of 5% for SC, ST, and OBC and differently able candidate. And next one, eligibility condition for admission. It is desirable that eligible candidate who possess minimum prescribed qualification for admission to the PhD program have excellent academic and professional track record in relevant discipline. The applicant for part-time should prove to satisfaction of DRC that his or official duties permit him or her to devote sufficient time to research. And second one, ensure that facilities that pursuing research are also available at his or her place of work in the chosen field of research where required. Time required 3 years, that is minimum period for submission of PhD thesis from date of registration, and maximum 6 years in between you have to complete. These all are the fees for part-time and full-time candidates. You can see that. These all are the things. Additional information, you can a split side PhD scholar will have the opportunity to spend equivalent of up to 1 year at the means part-time PhD scholar will have the opportunity to spend equivalent up to 1 year at the campus of partner foreign university. A split side PhD, not for part-time. A split side PhD scholar will have to opportunity to spend up to 1 year at the campus of partner foreign university. This offers a unique opportunity for collaborative research project. The selection of candidate will depend on fulfilling of partner institution eligibility of criteria. And next information is for full-time PhD scholar, that if he complete their coursework and demonstrate good progress in their research work, they will be eligible for teaching or research assistantship on completing their PhD, or DTFs will be considered for postdoc fellowship. Means after completing their PhD, they will also considered for postdoc fellowship. So that's all regarding that. I will upload all the links which will necessary to apply in the description box. Thank you. Have a nice day.